How to add an event to a calendar. To add a new event to your community or team calendar, or edit an existing one, begin by logging in to your community site. Go to the page with the calendar. In this case, we will use the public default calendar under Events. To add a new event, click on the Add Event button. A new event template will appear. Fill in the information for your event, like start date and time, duration, and the title of the event that will appear on the calendar. To add additional details, click inside the text box under Description and add additional text, images, links, or maps. If you would like to classify your event, to make it searchable by type, click to open the drop-down menu under Type and choose the most appropriate option. Then, in Permissions, think about whether the event you are adding is open to anyone or only to community members. In the drop-down menu beside Viewable By, choose the appropriate setting. If you choose Anyone, the event may be viewable on the calendar on the public side of the site, whereas if you choose Organization Members, it will only appear on the private site's calendar. Also, if you are adding events to the default calendar, keep in mind that an event added on the public default calendar will also appear on the private default calendar. But an event added on the private default calendar will not be automatically visible on the public default calendar unless the permissions are manually adjusted here. Finally, if the event is a repeating one, like a class or series, define the frequency of its repetition here, so that you do not have to add the event listing for each occurrence. Also, if you would like a reminder sent to you before the event, define it here. When you are finished adding information for your event, scroll down to the bottom of the display and click Save. Also, if you would like to edit an already existing event, simply find the event in your calendar and click on it. You will be brought to the Events page where you can review the information and, if you choose to edit it, click Edit in the menu on the right-hand side of the page. This will bring you back to the event's original template, where you can go in and change any of the information as though it was a new event. For example, I want to change the location of the yoga class, from the park to the community center. Once you're finished making your changes, don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of the display and click Save. You have now edited the event, as you can see here, and you can return to the calendar. However, if you ever need to delete the event altogether, you can also do that here by clicking on Delete in the same menu on the right-hand side.